In this problem, we are given a triangle ABC. Now, the side opposite to angle A, which is BC, we're going to represent it by the letter A in lowercase. Then we have angle B, the side opposite to it, which is AC, is going to be represented by the letter B in lowercase. And the third side, AB, which is side opposite to that of angle C, will be represented by the letter C in lowercase. So here it's given here that the value of side A, that's 2. Value of B, that's 3, and sine of angle A, so that's 2/3. We need to find out the value of angle B. So let us begin. Now, in this triangle, we can use the law of sines. The law of sines states that if we take the ratio of side A to that of sine of the angle opposite to it, the angle opposite to it is A, so this will be equals to the ratio of side B to that of sine of the angle opposite to B, so that's B, equals to C over sine C. So this is the law of sines. Now here we are provided with the value of A and B. So we'll use this ratio, A over sine A equals to B over sine B. So we'll substitute this value. We have already been provided the value of A, so that's 2 divided by sine A. So it's given here the sine A, that's 2/3. So that's equals to B. So B value is 3 divided by sine B. So that means solving for B, we're going to get sine B equals to 1. Now we know that we get the value of 1 whenever we have sine 90 degrees. So that means the value of angle B is going to be equals to 90 degrees.